guys, what good day and welcome to another Learn With Me series on the light bag collection. So what we'll be doing today, I'll be showing you how to make this Bugatti hand for your bag with a chain. So this is what we'll be learning today, how to make this Bugatti handle. It's as simple as it is here, but a little bit tricky. But I will be showing you the secrets where you can make it this way. So stay tuned and watch this video to the end. After you finish watching, leave in the comment section down below your thoughts on this particular video and this project. If you do enjoy it, give it a giant thumbs up, share it with people you know it might be of help to them. And if this is the first time you are watching video on this channel, make sure to subscribe. When you subscribe, turn on all the post notification bell so that you'll be one of the first people to get notified when we upload a new video. So without no further ado, now I'll be proceeding to the measurement and the cutting, so stay tuned for that. So guys, this is the basic measurement for this, and we are going to be cutting two pattern for it. So the first one is going to be 1.5 inch by 22 inch, as you can see, 1.5 inch by 22 inch. Then the second one is going to be 1.5 inch by 18.5 inch. So you are going to just cut a flat and straight surface. Is later on you are going to shape it, because if you look at it, it's a little bit shaped, and from here as the main measurements, and it goes slanted to the down. So this is like the pattern we use to create the main handle. So right now I'm going to cut that and show you how we have arrived at our handle on the bag. So here we have our two handle. This is the 1.5 by 18.5 inch. As you can see, we are using two different material here. I'm using a hare board, and I'm using a Mako, a foreign Mako 2. That's what I'm using. So this is the inside of the handle. The side that will be at the bottom, which we are going to place on this particular side. So once we start making it, you understand better. So for you to get this, you just need to take your measurement how you want it to be, or your D-ring. The measurement of your D-ring is how you are going to take to get this particular side. So by the way, this, the measurement for this is different to this. This is a little bit bigger. This is 1.5 by 22.5 inch. So this is the bottom side to cover the rough side of the handle. Then this particular side, for you to get this, is just as simple as for you. The D-ring you are going to use, you are going to take a measurement, and if you want something like it's just like the way this went in, but don't forget to also add the measurement, the excess part for the material you are going to wrap this in, so that this will not get stuck. So, and at the end of the day, after we finish, this is how it's going to be. Then we'll use this particular one after we finish wrapping it with the material we are using. It will be on top like this, just like the way it looks on the bag. So this is it from this side, the way it looks on the bag. So it's as simple as that. Once you take your measurement, you take the measurement of your D-ring. If this place is 1/2 inch or 1 inch, so that is what you use in shaping the hand, because from the center is going to be the main measurement you take, which is the 1.5 inch. Then you slim it down a little bit to this edge, not too much. So, and the reason why we make this side, so that when we want to stitch it, there will be enough space for us to stitch. That's the reason why I make this side like this. So without no further ado, right now we'll be wrapping these two material with the fabrics or the leather we are going to use to make the hand. So stay tuned to watch that as well. So guys, these are our material. You are going to apply gum to it. As you can see, we've applied gum to it the way it's shining. We've applied gum to this hare board and the Mako, and both the material as well. So for you, if you want to cut the material, you should cut something that is a little bit excess, because we are going to wrap this with your leather, just like the way it is this way. You should cut excess. You should give a space here, give a space at the other side for each side. So then again on this side as well, you are going to apply gum to it. So once you apply your gum, you make sure you wrap this, you place it and you wrap it. You also apply gum to the bag and you wrap that. So once I finish wrapping, I will come back to show you guys and you'll see it. So right now, the way it is now, we've already applied our gum to it. We've gummed the front side, and this is the back. We also apply gum to the inside and all the edge. So you want to start from center so that your work will be accurate into it. Just do this the way we normally do it, just the normal way. Make sure no side is being folded in the hand. So you just do it this way. After you do it, then we'll come back and we'll do the second one, just like I did this side. You make sure everything is well balanced. Then you cut the excess from this part after you finish. So I'll come back and show you that. So now we have gummed the two, as you can see, very neat. You make sure everything is well neat like this, and the excess on this part you cut them out. The same thing applicable to this part. You see the way we shape the material to the pattern. So then you put your D-ring this way, but first, before you put your D-ring, you make sure you apply gum to top of this material. If you have a sandpaper, you can sandpaper it so that the gum will adhere to it. So you also apply gum to this side, but the center you will not be applying gum because you don't want the gum to make the D-ring to be rough. After that, you gum this down. So I'll be showing you that a little bit now. And on top of this side as well, you're going to apply gum. Then this part you apply gum to the material as well and the main interface from the inside. So after we finish that, I'm going to show you the process as well. So before we now proceed to sewing it, we are almost done with our Bugatti handle. So guys, here it is. You fix your D-ring to this part, then you apply gum to this part. But note, we didn't apply gum to almost, we leave just like a inch. This part we didn't apply gum. Also the same thing on this part. The reason why we do this is after we gum it down, we want to be able to erase this part a little bit so that we can gum this down. We want this to be in place first so that everything will be accurate. That's the reason why. But normally we are supposed to gum this down, but I decide to do it this way. But whichever way you want to do yours, you can do it. You just need to arrive at the same results. So you should place this very well. You should check it both left and right. Or the best thing for you to do is on this particular side, you can mark down where this is going to be before you even apply contour, so you can see your pen or anything you use in marking that out. So that is the easiest way for you to do this. So start from the last extreme end. You just place and we'll see if it's going to work or not. So you should not just start to gum it down at once. You should try to figure it out. If it's going to work, then before you now gum it down completely. So exactly the way we want it. So use your mallet hammer to knock this down. So this is what I was saying. So I want to be able to raise this place just like I did now. So now we are just going to fold this side inside and gum it down, and here is our D-ring. So use your mallet hammer to also knock this, and I'm going to do that in a bit now. So after you do that, then you apply gum to the side, and on top of this place you should also sandpaper this so that your gum will stick to this part. So we do the same thing to the other parts as well. As easy as this. So right now we are going to apply gum to it. Once I apply gum, you apply gum to it and you gum this down. You let it to dry very well. Once it has finished drying, so we take it to the machine and we can now sew our handle. So guys, here we have our handle. We apply gum to this part and we've gum it down, and the stitching Once you gum it down, just like I first showed you earlier, then you go and stitch it. As you can see, you leave a space a little bit. If you want, you can stitch it very close to the edge, and if you want, you can just leave a quarter centimeter to stitch. But this is our Bugatti hand, and the next thing like this is for you to fix your chain to it, and you fix it to your bag. I hope you guys understand what we've just done on this particular tutorial. If you do, give this video a giant thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to the channel if this is the first time you are watching video on this channel, and if you are among those who always watch video and have not subscribed, please, you can use this time to subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the post notification bell so that you'll be one of the first people to get notified when we upload a new video on this channel. So guys, thank you for watching, and I think we are going to see you in the next one. Not think, definitely we are going to see you in the next one. Bye for now.